Here we are with Pink the Wonder Dog. We're going into Lowe's. They're dog friendly. We're out in the plant section, outside plant. Look at all the lavender, for crying out loud. What do we got over here? We've got garden sage. Now, sage is really popular. Ooh. Catnip. They've got a few of them. Then we get some regular lettuces, romaine lettuce. Let's check the other side too. Dill. Let's see what else we got. Parsley, dill, cilantro. You know, you either have a gene or you don't. About 50% of the population does. I'm one of the people that cilantro tastes like soap. So I can't have anything with cilantro in it. It just is horrible. And someone else would think it's great that doesn't have that gene. Broccoli. Oh, look at those cones are interesting. Gee. This looks real interesting. They're using it for, it looks like they've got tomato plants in there, but I wonder if that would work with cucumbers. If you would have to kind of train them up to grow up instead of out, but you could do that. Interesting. Oh, look at these vehicles here. We'll just pick up one. They're only, it's chump change. They're only $9,000. Let's see what we can see. Huh? What do we got over here? What do we got over here? Oh, wait a second, Pink. Dishwasher. Appliances. Let's go over and look at the plants first. Hi.
Oh, there, cool. Look at you. All pretty.
Yes, this is my daughter's dog. She's a groomer. And this is a purebred, standard size poodle.
Purebred one.
Yeah.
Poodle. Standard poodle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Most
with
poodle.
the pretty hair. With the pretty hair. Yeah, look at you. Pretty hair. Yeah. Chomp. Oh, she might bite you.
No, she's pretty cowardly.
Oh,
She might bark, that's about it. Let's go look at the plants.
yeah. I wish you could.
Oh, look at these orchids. I'm always drawn to orchids. Aren't these pretty? I don't see the price right off though. I'm not going to buy one so I don't have to look and be sure. Oh, there's something. Apply to the scientist. This caught my eye almost immediately. This looks like an Erlenmeyer flask. And it's got a window to water it. That's kind of neat. $12.90. Oh, cactus. Let's look at the cactus. Look at them all. Look at them all. over this way. Oh, look at that tree. That's neat. What's there's birds. I don't know if you can hear them. The birds get in here and they kind of get caught. There's plenty of places for them to get out, but since they go to the tallest portion of a building to try to escape, they kind of get stuck. Let's go over this way, Pink. You like the smell of the fertilizer there? Those are $2.79 a pack. Oh, mostly flowers out here right now. You can see they're kind of, I wonder if they've sold out or they're just getting a lot of stuff in. Our excuse for coming here is we're going to look at a dishwasher to be installed, and of course we can't get that done because supply chain and all of that stuff, they probably won't even have any, but we're going to look anyway. Oh, look at those. Those are cute. What kind of tree is this? Gee, nothing like not having the name right on it. Most bonsai cultures. Oh, appliances are this way. Let's go over this way. $100 off. Wow. Special value, $896. Let's go way down, down, down. It can be ugly. We just don't want it to cost a fortune. Okay. This looks like their least expensive one. $329. Includes delivery to 20 miles, connection to existing plumbing, additional fees for hauling away the old one. It's funny, this one it isn't mounted in the display very well. Energy guide. Yearly cost only $40. Wow, that's amazing. They claim they save quite a bit of water too. You know, there's only 3 of us now, but I notice I spend way too long washing dishes with my back. I have to sit in a chair while I'm doing it. So actually the bottom price is delivery and installation. The top price is the price of the actual unit. It sounds like some alarm is going off in one of the other rows. So, I could finagle getting that installed myself. You know. Oh, the noise stopped. Good. It would only be if I just got the unit. We're talking slightly under $400. That would be more doable. Oh, humidifiers. Oh, look at this one. Humidity. For growing mushrooms, you really need to have a higher humidity. This one's only $39. A small one, $44. I have a controller, so the idea would be you have a little tented area with a sensor, and it would turn it on and off depending on what the humidity level is that you want. Air conditioners. Ours works still. We, like so many people, have an air conditioner just in our bedroom. So if it's really hot, that gives you a good place to sleep. And we've got the TV in there, so we can go in there on real hot days and hang out. Getting your exercise, Pink? And that's one of the reasons we came here too. Lowe's is dog friendly. Oh, there you go.
There you go. You're getting silly. Climb back up.
A solar cell driven light for the yard. What are those? Those are dog toys. was pretty good that you picked that out. I wonder if they made it smell a certain way, huh? Oh, let's go out this way. And the fake plants. Don't water, buy fake. Oh, look at this. Farmer's Almanac, Gardening 2023. I bet this is like, oh no, it's only $8. Only. Container gardening. Bright ideas. So that was our little, oh, we've got a pat request here. She puts up her paw when she wants me to pat her. What did we learn in there about dishwashers? The lowest cost one they had was slightly under $400, and but the installation, delivery and installation, is $249, and that only entails hooking it up to existing plumbing, and our plumbing isn't right under the sink, so we'd have to do something else, so it would be even more than that. So of course what we're really going to end up looking for probably is a used or free one. You'd be surprised how many people, they take them out and get rid of them because they're the wrong color, the wrong finish or something. And but we'll spend some time looking for a free one. And I think the expensive stuff for us will be the actual, you know, redoing some of the plumbing under the sink and, you know, connecting it up. I don't know what they use for power. They're 110 or 220. I would assume they're 110, but I could be wrong. So that's it. We'll take a look. I hope you enjoyed my little walkthrough. We looked at some of the plants. And like I say, the dishwasher's pricing was the main thing. And the other main part about it was that we had to look for a dog-friendly store so we could do our walk.